So, hello everyone. If you have experience in WordPress and coding, here is a full-time remote opportunity for you. The company's name is Campus Press and the company is hiring for WordPress support specialist. Here you will be working as per universal time and the schedule will be from 7 p.m. UTC time to 3 a.m. UTC time. You can check this with your current time zone. Here is the skills and qualification that the company has mentioned. The company is looking for someone who is familiar with WordPress, and if you have experience in coding, in PHP, HTML, CSS, SQL, it would be better. You could be a preferred candidate. You should have experience in WordPress multitask. The candidate should have experience in WordPress multi-site networks. Uh, ama- Great communication skills is required. Great communication skill is required. Impressive response time, typing speed, and interpersonal skills, including the power to swiftly build rapport with both current and potential customers. You should be a great team player, keen on working. Okay. You should be able to collaborate with others, etc. So the main thing is you should have some experience with WordPress and coding. So you could be a preferred candidate for this role. Here the company has mentioned that as a WordPress support specialist, you will be working 40 hours a week. You will be working 40 hours per week, and here is a skill set that the company has mentioned. This includes WordPress, multi-site networks, customer support, educational industry knowledge, English language communication, and PHP, MySQL, and HTML, CSS, etc. And here are the job benefits that the company has mentioned. So this is a flexible opportunity, and you can work from home or anywhere. This is a full-time remote opportunity, and you will be getting 28 days paid leave per annum up to 35 days. You will have the opportunities for paid travel to attend work camps and other industry conferences. You will be getting long service leave, 3 months off paid after you have been with us for a while. The company has a long service leave policy. If you work for a few years, you will be eligible to get 3 months leave, 3 months paid leave, and here up to 2 months salary bonus based on company growth. Okay. Here the company also offers up to 2 months salary bonus based on company growth targets. Uh, technology budgets, mm, technology budgets every 3 years. The longer you serve, the higher you deserve. General expenses budget yearly. The longer you work, the more you get. Okay. So these were the benefits that you can expect while working with the company. And here are the roles and responsibilities that you can expect while working with the Campus Press. While working with Campus Press, so as a WordPress, support specialist, you will be providing support by email to companies, edu blogs and Campus Press customers. You will be assisting with and solving all manner of WordPress questions with style. Okay. You will be assisting with and solving all manner of WordPress questions. You will be contributing to testing and QA or quality analysis with updates to WordPress core plugins and themes. You will be coordinating with developers over bugs and new stuff. So if you have some experience with WordPress and coding, you could be you can check out the details and here. So if you have some experience with WordPress and coding, you could be a good fit for this position, and you can check out the details. And to apply for the job, you can first download their Campus Press support enthusiast task sheet and the task sheet files, answer those questions, and then submit the application. It is very important that your written communication skills should be good. Here they have written about the hiring process. So the hiring process includes you need to you need to you need to complete the attached task here that was mentioned here, and then you will be invited for an interview with the management team. So yeah, if you think that you could be a good fit, go ahead and apply for the job. This is the application form. So you first need to complete the task, and then you can fill up the application form. This is a simple application form, and you can fill up this. You need to attach your resume here and upload task sheet, and then send the application form. So go ahead and check out all the details. And if you believe that you could be a good fit, for the position of WordPress support specialist. Um, Apply for the job. Thank you for listening.